Welcome back, this is m.felicetti, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at Arduino. So to start, we're actually going to first look at microcontrollers. So what is a microcontroller? Well, a microcontroller is a small, specialized computer that can be embedded inside devices such as mobile phones, calculators, watches, etc., etc. Microcontrollers have a CPU, memory, input and output, and specialized hardware. Microcontrollers are generally very small, low cost, and low power, and generally are dedicated to run a specific program. Now, how do you make a microcontroller do things? Well, we use code. And for us specifically, we are going to use C. The next thing is Arduino. So what is Arduino? Well, Arduino is a company that develops open source hardware and software. Arduino boards use microcontrollers, generally Atmel branded microcontrollers, and they can be connected via USB. The board we'll be using looks like this, and we can see on this board the microcontroller. Now, to program the microcontroller, we will be using Arduino-based software called Arduino IDE. This allows us to program both in C and C++ and is designed to be easy to use for novices, hobbyists, and even professionals use it for prototyping. So after you open Arduino IDE, you'll be presented with this interface. The first thing we'll note is the sketch. So this is where you write your code. There is a template there, but we'll wait till next video to talk about that. The next thing is the verify button. So this compiles your program to see if there are any syntax errors for you to fix. The next button next to it is the program device. This compiles your program also, and if your program successfully compiles, it will load your code onto the microcontroller. The next three buttons are new, open, and save, and then right on the right, we have the serial monitor. This allows us to communicate with our microcontroller whilst it's running. Lastly, before we start coding, we need to set up the board and the port. The board depends on which board you have, and in this class, it's going to be the Arduino Nano. The port is the port that's connected to the microcontroller. Now you can find this out by using Device Manager, or just try each, there shouldn't be too many. Alright, so now you know how to set up Arduino IDE and get it running, and in the next video we'll look at writing some code. Thank you.